English speaking practice is easier when you start with short, simple sentences. In this video, we will practice 50 easy sentences together. Just listen and repeat after me.
Read each sentence aloud. Focus on clear pronunciation, natural rhythm, and confidence. Let's begin. For each sentence, do this. Step 1. Listen to me. Try to say it without looking at the screen. Use it in a real conversation today. Ready? Let's start. Part 1. Greetings and introductions. Repeat after. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. My name is John. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from United Kingdom. 8. I live in London. 9. I am happy to meet you. Have a nice day. Great job! 10 sentences done. Let's keep going. Part 2. Everyday English. Repeat after me. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am tired. I am ready. I am busy. 16. I am coming. 17. Please wait for me. 18. Come with me. Sit down, please. Let us go. Great job! 20 sentences done. Let's keep going. Part 3. Simple questions. These will help you start conversations. What are you doing? Where are you going? What time is it? Great job. Let's keep going. Are you okay? Do you understand? Can you help me? Can I come with you? Where do you live? What do you want? What do you need? Great job! 30 sentences done. Let's keep going. Part 4. Useful responses. Use these when you reply to someone. Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Please say it again. Please speak slowly. I don't know. I don't remember. That's a good idea. You are right. 39. I agree with you. 40. That's okay. Great job. 40 sentences done. Let's keep going. Last part. Daily conversation. My favorite one. I like this. 42. I don't like that. 43. I love English. 44. I am learning English. 45. I speak English every day. 46. I want to speak English well. 47. I need more practice. 48. I will try again. 49. I can do it. 50. See you tomorrow. Great job! 50 sentences done. Excellent work! You just practiced 50 easy English sentences. You can do it! Remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. The more you speak English, the more confident and fluent you will become. Now let's practice again. Which sentence was easy for you? Which one will you use today?
Write your favorite sentence in the comments below.
Like this video, subscribe for more English practice, and I will see you tomorrow.